When choosing a brand name, should I be focused around a product range, or should it be open-ended to have a range of products? Well, Chris, you will be delighted to know that depends. And here's what it depends on. Depends on two things. Your strategy for your business and your goals for your business. Let's start with goals first. If your plan is for your Amazon business to build it up and then sell it, then I think there is a good argument to be made for staying within a consistent brand niche and building a product range around a brand within a given category. I don't know, hiking, for instance, and then building a brand around hiking-based products, because typically that commands a higher multiple from the seller to be able to sell it. You get more money for it, is what I'm trying to say with that. In that case, it's better to build your brand name around that strategy and therefore have a brand name commensurate with the category or niche that you're going after. I think that's the smarter solution under those circumstances. So there's that. If, however, you don't plan to sell and instead you simply plan to build your business to give you an ongoing income, I think it's better to have a brand name that gives you the flexibility to take the business in different directions as the market dictates over the long term. So typically when you build a business to sell it, you're in and out in 3 years. Bada boom, bada bing, you're in, you're out. And 3 years is not really a long enough period of time for the market to shift dramatically. But over the longer term, the market can shift dramatically, and flexibility, therefore, is more important. And so in that situation, I think it's better to have a brand name that gives you the flexibility to take advantage of new opportunities as they come to light in different categories. Hope that makes sense. So I will now, no doubt, have people in the question area going, Neil, can't you have both? And the answer is, you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. All I'm giving you is what I believe to be the focused solutions to that specific problem. Yes, that's the best way to describe that. So, Chris, hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.